How long does coconut oil last before it goes bad? Whether you're using it for cooking, skincare, or do-it-yourself wellness product, knowing when your coconut oil expires is key to getting the most out of it safely. Let's break it all down. First thing, coconut oil is known for having a long shelf life, especially compared to other oils. Why? It's mostly made up of saturated fats, which are super stable and don't oxidize easily like polyunsaturated fats does. That means it takes a lot longer for coconut oil to go rancid. So, if you have that jar sitting in your cabinet for a while, don't worry. It might still be perfectly good. Now, let's talk about numbers. Unrefined coconut oil, also called virgin or extra virgin, can usually last 2 to 3 years if stored properly. Refined coconut oil, which has gone through more processing, typically lasts around 18 months to 2 years. Of course, this can vary a bit depending on how it's stored and the quality of the packaging. Want your coconut oil to stay fresh as long as possible? Here's how to store it. Keep it in a cool, dark place, like a pantry or a cupboard. Avoid direct sunlight, heat, and moisture. You don't need to refrigerate it, but if you do, just know it will solidify and be harder to scoop, and that is totally normal. Also, always use a clean, dry utensil when scooping it out. Water or food crumbs can cause spoilage or mold. And finally, make sure the lid is tightly sealed after each use. So now, how do you actually know if your coconut oil has expired? Watch for these signs. First, smell. Fresh coconut oil smell either neutral if refined or slightly sweet and the coconut if unrefined. If it smells sour, musty, or off, toss it out. Color. Solid coconut oil should be white and our liquid coconut should be clear. If it turns yellow, cloudy, or murky, that's a warning sign. Texture. If it's grainy, has weird separation, or you see mold, get rid of it. Taste. If bitter or sour flavor, it means it's gone bad. When in doubt, better safe than sorry. So there you have it. Coconut oil can stay good for a long time if you store it right. Check the smell, the color, and the texture every now and then, and you always know when it's time to replace it. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips on healthy living, coconut oil product, and clean cooking. And hey, drop a comment below. How do you use coconut oil? Cooking? Skincare? Let me know. See you soon in my next video. See ya!